today I'm starting off with my brows already completed, as you know. We're going to start with the face spray. So I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose Toner, and then after that I'm going to start with my eyes. All the information of what I'm using is down below. I'm going to use my fluffy brush from Beige Cosmetics and go in with my Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's. The color that I'm starting with is Yoded. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease area. And I'm going pretty fast in this video today, so if I can't get to the information, it'll definitely be listed down below. Second color that I'm going in with is Jamada. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the crease as well, using the same fluffy BH Cosmetics travel brush. Then I'm going to go ahead in with Kana. I'm using my flat eyeshadow brush from Beige Cosmetics to apply that to my lid. I really like this palette. It's very matte and nice. Now I'm going to go back in with Jamada again with the fluffy brush. This is just going to be used as a transition so that the line of demarcation does not look too harsh going from the crease into the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and use that to kind of blend the colors together. And this is basically the simple eye look that I'm doing. So I'm going in with my foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and I'm in the color NC50. Going in with it's my Ray Ray collection from Beige Cosmetics flat foundation brush. Now I think this is one of my staple foundations that I used to be used to. I stopped wearing it for a long time, but now that I'm getting back into playing around with makeup, I decided I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Don't mind my face. As you all know, you have to blend. So that's what I'll be doing to make sure that this makeup is seamless today. I'm going to go ahead and apply some more to the opposite side of my face. There's no pump to it, which is, I hate. I'm going to go ahead and order a pump for it. I forgot that it doesn't come with one. So applying it onto the brush is like, it's a task. I prefer the pump in addition to, because it just makes it a lot easier to not waste any product. But you know, now I'm going to go ahead with my concealer. I'm using Juvia's Place Concealer, and I believe this is in the color 12. And I love using this concealer to highlight my face. I'm going to go ahead with the Juvia's, and this is in the color 3. And I'm using that as my contour color. I love a liquid contour, and I love definitely love a liquid highlight. Now to blend it in, I'm using my crayon case blending sponge. I really like this sponge because it gets right into the creases, right into the corners. It's pretty perfect to use. I did dampen this sponge before I used it. And don't even mind my head tie. It is what it is. I was getting ready, so you know. Again, all the information, all the products that I use will be down in the description. And hopefully I can get you guys links. So hopefully there should be links to the products that I'm using as well. If I can, I will. If I can't find it, then I'll put that I can't find it. I'm going to go ahead and blend my contour. I put too much contour, so definitely going to be blending out like crazy. I'm using my Sigma flat top kabuki brush to go ahead and blend out my contour. I love using it to blend out because it's a great buffer and it makes my face chiseled when I use this brush. So it's one of my staple brushes for contour. As you can see, it's a lot of contour, but I definitely buff it out until I can't buff it out no more. And of course, you guys, blending is the absolute key. I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Finish in the color Medium Deep, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. This is basically going to set my face and allow the color to come in that's flushed out. Oh, and for the brush, I'm using the powder brush from the It's My Ray Ray Beach Cosmetics collection. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye and all the places I highlighted with my Coty Airspun powder. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to press it into my skin until it basically dissolves. This, I feel like it's way too light for me to actually bake with, so I just press it into the skin. If I'm baking, I'm literally going to look like a ghost. I feel like it does work for lighter complexions, but for my complexion and darker, definitely to set but not to bake. I'm going to go in with my Contortionist notebook. This is from the crayon case, and I'm going to use that to set my contour in the dark color. And as you can see, that brings dimension to my nose. It's well chiseled. And even though I do have on a bit of contour, setting it always makes it look better for me. I'm going to go in with the gold shade, and I'm going to use that as a highlight today. I'm going to use that above the brow bone as well. And I did not wet my brush. I'm using my fluffy brush to place it on. And of course, my Cupid's bow. Love highlighting that. I'm going to go back in with my Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to use these two colors in conjunction. That's Dora and Zama, and I'm going to use that as blush. Whoa. As you can see, I put too much blush on one side, but don't worry. I'm going to use my fluffy powder brush to kind of get some of that product off and blend it into my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelashes. And while those are being prepped, I'm going to go ahead and do my liner. I'm using Wet n Wild's waterproof eyeliner in the color Jet Black. And guys, I hate doing this on camera because I get super nervous. And once you make a mistake, you're not trying to redo the whole eye again. So bear with me, y'all. Practice does make perfect. I got to get comfortable with doing makeup on camera again. I'm going to go ahead with my black eye pencil, and I'm just going to do a light line to my waterline. Not too much though, not too dark. I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline mascara just to put a coat on before I pop my lashes on. And you guys know I always put my lashes on off camera, so that's just what it's going to have to be. Again, not comfortable putting lashes on yet on camera. So now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the rose toner. And then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my favorite cork pencil from ColourPop and using my favorite Clean Kisses lip gloss from the crayon case. Now for my clear gloss that I'm putting over it, this is from my niece Jada's lip gloss collection. She is an MUA makeup artist and she resides in New York. So if you're looking for a bomb MUA, definitely check her out. I'll leave her information down below. And now the makeup look is pretty much over. Time for some hair. And there you have it, you guys. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Till next time, guys. Bye.